Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you will be fine.
Let's start the ABC rhyme. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me?
Let's start the phonics. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, S, T, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z. What is day today? Today is Monday and date 18th and month January and year 2021. Which period is this? English period. Manners. Don't shout while talking. Don't shout while talking. Students, today our topic is name of the day is Thursday. Today we will learn the spelling of Thursday. Thursday, day, Thursday. First of all, we will revise name of the days. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. MON, day, Monday. TUES, day, Tuesday. WEDUAD, day, Wednesday. THURS, day, Thursday. FRI, day, Friday. SATUR, day, Saturday. SUN, day, Sunday. Today we will learn the spelling of Thursday. THURS, day, Thursday. Again, THURS, day, Thursday. THURS, day, Thursday. Let's start the activity. Students, here I have some cutouts. Today we will find the word Thursday from the cutouts. Let's start. Students, arrange the spelling of Thursday. T H U R S D A Y. Thursday. Revise the spelling of Thursday. THURSDAY, day. Thursday. Let's start the copy work. First of all, you will write the date here like this: Monday, 18th January, 2021, and the topic is Thursday. Today we will write the spelling of Thursday. THURSDAY, day. Thursday. In this way, you will complete your work neat and clean. Thank you.